Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your auto SIM card in the UK. First, if you have a physical SIM card, just insert your auto SIM into your phone. Then restart your device. In most cases, your SIM will activate automatically within a few minutes. If it doesn't, you can activate it manually by either dialing 202 from your O2 phone or visiting the O2 SIM activation page online. Just search for O2 SIM activation and follow the on-screen steps. Now, if you have an eSIM, you'll need to download the eSIM profile using the QR code in your eSIM pack. On iPhone, go to Settings, Cellular, and add Data Plan, then scan the QR code. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, and add Carrier and follow the same steps. Once setup is complete, restart your phone and your auto SIM or eSIM should be ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully activated your auto SIM card in the UK. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.